Hello everyone, I am Vipul Setia, an equity research intern from inSAKE Solution. I am very happy to say that I am about to complete my internship as an equity research intern under the guidance of our mentor, Mr. Sai Setti sir. It was a very good experience. The equity research program provided by inSAKE Solution is a truly transformative experience in my journey towards becoming a proficient equity research analyst. This program covers a comprehensive and structured curriculum that covers a wide range of essential topics in equity research. One of the program's standout features is it emphasis on practical learning. The mentors gave us practical knowledge and regular assignments which help us to develop habit of equity research analysis. This practical learning approach has gently enhanced my analytical and decision-making skills, gives me confidence to take complex investment analysis decisions. Furthermore, the program focuses on staying current with market trends and emerging technology sets it apart. The inclusion of latest tools and techniques used in industry shows that participants are well prepared to navigate the rapidly evolving landscape of equity research. Overall, the equity research program provided by inSAKE Solution is a well-structured, insightful, and emerging experience. It was equipped me with the skills and knowledge necessary to excel in field of equity analysis, and I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone looking to pursue career in finance or investment. Thank you.